The OnePlus Open is the company's first foldable product under the Oppo umbrella. Pre-orders for $1,699, €1 799/pound 599, in advance of retail release on October 26th, are now available. For my colleague Allison Johnson's comprehensive opinions, read our full review or continue reading for a summary of the gadget's specifications and capabilities. The Oppo Find N and Find N2 foldables were previously sold in China by Oppo, the parent company of the OnePlus brand, which is marketing the Open as a joint venture. In essence, the OnePlus Open is a third-generation foldable, and in the home market of the company, it will even be marketed as the Oppo Find N3. The alert slider on the foldable, which OnePlus considers to be one of the brand's trademark features, is something that the company is keen to highlight.